guys, welcome back to our next video. Now today what we're going to do is we're going to use some of the skills that we learnt in our last video, but also include some new skills to make a fun bookmark. Now in this video here you can see that I'm using 4mm cord, but you could use 2mm or even 3mm cord for this bookmark. What I've done here is you can see there's actually 12 pieces of cord. Now these are about 55 centimeters long, but you could make them a little bit longer or a little bit shorter depending on how long you would like your bookmark. So the first thing we're going to do is we are actually going to pull all of the cords together like this. And to make it a little bit easier when we do our braid, we're going to tie in the middle. Like this. Just make it tight enough so the cords don't move. Then what we're going to do, if you remember in our last video, is we learned how to do a braid. So we're going to split the cord up into 3 groups, but with 4 cords in each. And we're simply going to start to braid. So we've got left over the middle, then right over the middle, over this side, left over the middle, and right over the middle, left over the middle. And make sure that we're keeping it nice and tight as we go. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do what's called a gathering knot. So you can see here I've got a cord, it's about 35 centimeters long. Now if we grab it and we want to pop it in a U shape like this, so with the bottom of the U down the bottom and a little tag up the top like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to wrap this cord tightly, if we can, around the bottom of our bookmark. And you just want to make sure that you've got this little guy sticking up the top here like this. So I recommend wrapping at least 6 times, maybe 8, making sure that the cord's nice and close together and nice and tight. 4, 5, 6. Alright, I think 6 is perfect for this one. Then what we're going to do is you can see I've got the end of the cord here and the bottom of the U. We're going to pop that through the middle. And then if we find our little tail at the top, we're going to give that a pull really tight, like that. And you can see here, we might gather that up a bit. That is called a gathering knot. Now with the end of this cord here, grabbing some scissors, you can cut it off like that. And it's up to you with this bottom cord, you can either leave it there, I think we'll cut it off today, like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to flip it over and take off this cord that I had connecting them. We're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Just make sure we don't want to untangle the braid that we've already done. We can see there, left over right, right over left. Keep going. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing at this end. I'm going to grab about 30 centimeters worth of cord. That U shape again. So remember, have the bottom of the U facing towards you. And then we're going to wrap around, we do 6 on the other side. So that's we're going to bottom of the U, pull up. There we go. Make sure we pull nice and tight. Now what you can see here is we have our lovely bookmark. Now the next thing to do, which makes it look extra fun, is actually to fray the ends. So what I like to do to make it nice and neat is actually cut the ends so that they're all nice and even. And we'll do the other end too. Like that. And then to make this cord braid, all we need to do is just untwist the cord. There we go, guys. Your very own macrame bookmark. So it's great to use for yourself, or it'd be a wonderful gift for your teacher or one of your parents. So well done, guys. Thanks so much, and I look forward to teaching you some more new skills in our next macrame video.